Hello, this is Viv from BNC Camera with another video with tricks and tips. If you're a blogger, taking photos seems time-consuming and annoying, especially when the weather or your camera doesn't cooperate. I'll show you a few simple hacks that will help you produce stunning photos for your blog every time. Yet sadly, I won't be able to teach you how to summon the sun to come out or request the rain to stop pouring. Just measuring expectations. Put together a collection of props. You have many accessories if you've been blogging for a long time, and I'm talking about candles, tiny trinket dishes, periodicals, fabrics, etc. Keeping them together is a good idea so they're easy to grab at a moment's notice when creativity strikes. This way, you always have them on hand and don't waste time running around trying to find them before a shoot. It also aids in photo editing by providing a starting point. You know which props will be in the photo and can retroactively understand what effects best suit the content within the picture. Learn your camera. If you're still unfamiliar with the manual mode on your DSLR or mirrorless camera, it's time to get to know it. It can be frightening at first, but believe me when I say that once you grasp the settings, you'll be able to take your photos to the next level. To learn more about camera settings, the exposure triangle, and more, check out our other detailed videos on the subject. Up your light game. You'll quickly learn that lighting is a massive part of photography and dictates the photo's overall quality. Invest in a product box, ring light, or even a softbox kit to throw some glow on the pics inside your blog. Or you could use natural light. Still a little intimidated by adding external lights? Or are they simply not in the budget right now? That's okay. But the need for lighting remains, so utilize natural light. Either shoot outdoors or near a bright window. At least invest in a reflector. No matter what lighting you use, getting yourself a reflector will be a lifesaver. Reflectors help bounce light from whatever source you're using, the sun or a fancy LED. Whenever you have one light source pointed at a subject, it casts a shadow across the unlit side. The reflector will use the spill of the light, reflecting it back toward the subject and filling in the shadow. This is popular for products because even light not only defines detail, but also looks less ominous. Take way more photos than you'll ever use. You want to write blogs but didn't sign up to be a pro photographer. Just take as many photos as it takes to get the right one. You're using a digital camera or a phone, so you have plenty of space, and deleting the unwanted pics is as simple as clicking a button. Create a setup you like and leave it. If you design a little spot you like to use to take pictures, leave it set up for your next shoot. If you're not 100% familiar with your gear and/or accessories, why not find a spot in the corner of a room that can become your makeshift studio? This will give you consistent results and save you loads of time. Use interesting backgrounds. All pictures benefit from a sense of depth. Sometimes you can create that look with the photo tools themselves, but other times you're featuring a small item or a product on your blog and you just need an eye-catching background that really pops. You can use foam boards that you decorate, pre-made patterned backdrops that are specifically used for photography, or you can even use a laptop screen. Make sure your background doesn't overpower the subject of your picture and you're good to go. In today's online content and commerce world, feels like we have to do everything to help our hobbies and businesses grow. If you never pictured yourself as a photographer, it's okay. Take your time, focus on creating exciting and original content for your blog, and the photo skills you'll need will come. Hopefully, these tips will help you feel more confident when picking up your camera. Make it go, click.